It's 5:30 in the morning. Ride out na. Hello.
We're up at this early morning. We're going to East Coast. See you guys around.
May ilaw na rito. Lumiwanag.
We're here, MJ Holy Vlogs. This is Melbs and I am Jills. Yeah, we're going to East Coast. I think we're halfway through there. Time check is 6:35 in the morning. See you guys later. Let's go. talking to you. Where are you going? How's your feeling? Are you tired? Are you feeling good? Hey, I'm talking to you.
Fine.
You're on a record. I'm fine, that's it.
Fine, thank you. Too.
Go. Yeah, what's up guys? We're here already at East Coast. See the background? Where's the sun? Yeah, the sunrise is there.
Ulit ng pagod.
Yeah. So we left Hougang at around 5:30 or quarter to 6 a.m. and then we reach here 7:25. Yeah. So and try to rest. Yeah, because our feet are so tired. Our legs are tired. Our leg. Also leg. Yeah. We're so tired. Catch you later. Then as you can see guys, there are a lot of tent here. Yeah, so this is a campsite. This part is a campsite. So yeah, but you need to get a permit before you put up a tent. It's so cool. Really, really cool. What are you doing? You're pumping the wheels. How's our tires?
Ang lambot na pala sobrang.
Sayaw ka. Booty work, booty work. Booty work. May tao sa likod.
Naka-inspire yung mga seniors dito. Look at them. Early in the morning, they are doing exercise. If you guys want to go biking here in East Coast,
You don't have a bike.
you don't have bike, then you go here.
For the rental.
A lot of bikes here.
You can rent. I don't know how much.
There's the price. I don't know what's the price. Can you see the price?
I go there. Beach volleyball, yeah! Some are playing volleyball. Yeah, there's a beach volleyball here, guys. Nice. Okay, it's your turn. Igawin kita! Hi guys! Going home. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining us in this bike ride. We hope you enjoyed the view. See you again on our next vlog. Kita kits, keep safe, peace.
Thank you, Molys.
Bukas ka.